Need this about a foot deep so I can set one of these poles in it. And not going to get very deep before you get into one of these. The idea is I'm going to peel the bark off one of these cedar poles. It's going to set at least a foot deep in this, and there's no such thing as plumb with this because you're not building on a level surface, so you can't really be plumb. So you have to just eyeball it as to what is good. Now the whole thing is pretty close to square because from that corner to the opposite corner on the other side, on the other end, on the other side of the building, that corner and this corner, those measurements are within like 1/4 of an inch. So it's pretty much right at square. So I haven't completely abandoned carpentry. I'm just winging it.
For those that don't know, what do you call that tool?
This?
Yeah.
A rock bar.
We have extremely hard clay. It's not quite rock, but you need one of these.
It's within that first foot, usually about 6 inches of really good soil, and then you're going to get into sandstone and clay. So you need that rock bar. There you go, sandstone and clay.
And he broke it all up. Round 2.
This is a draw knife. You're going to use it to peel these cedar logs.
Now these are aged cedar logs.
Yeah, they're not.
Fresh ones might not be as...
Actually, fresh ones should cut easier. See these bugs? They're hiding under that bark. That bark will let the give the bugs and moisture places to hide. Get out of the light, get out of the open air. I really don't like these all the knots in this stuff.
Do we have to uncover the whole log then?
Yeah.
For longevity?
The first one I skinned with a machete, and trust me, that was no fun whatsoever. It did the same job, it did the same thing, but...
But your draw knife came today in the mail.
Yes, it came today and saved me from skinning all of these logs with a machete.
Let's see, I believe I bought it from Walmart.com. What did we get, 37, 38?
39 maybe. It was about 35, 40 bucks, something like that.
But it's a good size length too.
10-inch. And you see how thick it is? It's not a flimsy tool. Beveled on one side. It can definitely be sharpened. It came pretty sharp though. While I'm using it, don't just pull straight at me, because that's gonna dull this part of the blade, one part of the blade to center, and then you'll sharpen that one part more than the rest, and you'll wind up with a really worn out blade.
So you're doing it off-centered occasionally, or how?
Well, this way.
Oh, okay.
Okay, there's about 3/4 of it. Time to spin this log around and get the top half, or top quarter, whatever you want to call it. We'll get this in, and then we'll set a pole right there. Actually, that 2x4 needs to come off of that corner, so we'll set that pole. Either way, we're going to set a pole, plumb it up, or sorry, not plumb it, straighten it up, because we are not in the world of plumb.
No, we're called making it happen, right?
It's called making more than what you have out of what you have.
Or rednecking it.
Boy, that does get after your back after a while. All that bent over.
You won't be doing that every day. Or at least not all of them in one day.
This log is completely debarked. Didn't take too long with the draw knife. That bark has to come off, so the bark isn't holding moisture and bugs, allowing bugs to hide and holding moisture against the log.
Oh, look at that cedar. It's so pretty.
These are cedar logs, locally harvested. Looks like my hole on the bottom needs to go.
Well, spin it because it's crooked. So maybe if you spin it, it'll fit better.
How's that?
That looks better. You gonna need me to hold it while you screw it to it, or? Oh, you're sinking.
Yeah, I just need to stand back and get a look at it.
We're gonna have to run our goats over here soon. It's getting a little wild.
Yeah. Got to adjust this hole a little bit.
Kicking it, is that the technical formal way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they teach that in up and down class. Yeah. Okay, that should do it pretty good right there. And we'll tamp that in pretty good. That is basically how I'm going to support the roof, whole roof of the chicken run. Now, I have one here, here, and here to put in. One here for a door, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, and that should carry the load of the chicken run roof. Hopefully that'll last. I'm sure it's going to outlast the pallets, because the pallets are not raw cedar, and cedar is going to resist rotting. These pallets are not. However, on that note, I have decided when the bottoms of the pallets rot out, I can cut the here on this end, because they're supported. I can cut the bottom of them off and skin that with sheet metal. Then there's no more pallet to rot off. I may support the inside of the chicken coop in the similar fashion at a later date. So it will basically be suspended off of the ground, and I could cut the bottom of the chicken coop off and skin that with metal so I don't have to rebuild the entire thing. I can just cut off the bottom, put sheet metal over it. Really, the bass backwards way to do it. But you do what you got to do. Like and subscribe. See you next time.